Taking action for the environments. Hello and welcome to Planet Justice. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the impact of our actions on the environment. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction are major problems that we're facing as a society. But the good news is we're not helpless. Together, we can make a difference and protect our planet for future generations. Every little bit helps. By making small changes to our daily habits, we can make a big difference. Here are a few simple ways to start protecting the environment today. Reduce energy consumption. Turn off lights and appliances when they're not in use. Use energy-efficient light bulbs. Unplug chargers when they're not in use. Install a smart thermostat to control your heating and cooling more efficiently. Seal your home's leaks to reduce drafts and improve energy efficiency. Use public transportation, carpool, bike, or walk when possible. Cut down on single-use plastics. Use reusable bags, water bottles, and straws. Avoid products with excess packaging. Recycle properly. Bring your own container for takeout. Food shop, bulk food stores, and farmers markets. Avoid single-use plastic cups and utensils. Get involved in local conservation efforts. Plant a tree or start a garden. Volunteer at a local park or nature reserve. Support organizations working to protect the environment. Educate yourself and others about environmental issues. Support political candidates who prioritize the environment. Attend a local or online meeting or demonstration to support environmental causes. Together, we can make a difference and protect our planet for future generations. Every little bit counts, so start taking action today. Remember, small changes in our daily habits can have a big impact on the environment, so start today and make a change for a better future. Now, if you like our informative videos, smash that like button and consider subscribing. It will help us create other high-quality videos. Thanks for watching.